Hi! Good morning! This is April, a makeup artist and beauty consultant. Now I will be sharing to you my daily skincare routine products using LLIC products or Lunaran International Corporation. So eto na siya guys! This is all made from South Korea, and what I love on these products, this is vegan friendly, cruelty free, no harmful chemicals, and it will suits for all skin types. Meron tayong cleansing foam. Ito yung nakaka-remove ng dead skin sa face natin for deeply cleansing at mas smooth ang face natin pag ginamit natin to. This is intense whitening toner. Ito yung deeply cleansing sa face natin at matatighten yung pores natin pag ginamit natin. So loved it guys. Intense whitening toner. It can moisturize your skin. Binabalance din niya yung pH level ng face natin. So, meron din tayong BB cream for whitening. So, no need mo nang mag-sunscreen pag ginamit mo na to because meron na tong anti-UVA and UVB. And lastly, this is my favorite. So, meron tayong white and wrinkle spot cream. So, as a beauty consultant, maraming naghahanap sa amin na ano ba miss yung nakakatanggal ng acne, ano ba yung nakakatanggal ng pimples, nakakalighten ng freckles. So, I'm so happy kasi na-discover ko tong product na to. Sheet mask with collagen essence for a longer moisturizing effect. For slimming, whitening, immune system booster, we have Ester Bioscience Gluta Collagen Drink. Promise, hindi ka nito bibiguin. As a makeup artist, na-enjoy ko ang LLIC products to achieve glowing and healthier skin. What can I say? Beauty is power!